Thank you so much. It is an honor for Baltimore City to receive this award. I want to give my sincere thanks and admiration to Milan for your leadership in crafting this exemplary urban food policy pact. Food access and local sustainable food systems have been long priorities for my administration, and food policy is one of my legacies. One of our innovations is based on acknowledging that food does not fit into any one government agency. And that is why I hired one of the first food policy directors in the U.S. to create Baltimore's Food Policy Initiative, an intergovernmental collaboration with lead staff in 4 agencies. Together, they address food system policies, strategies, and programs from multi-agency perspectives. Government cannot and should not address food systems in isolation, and this is why we formed the Food Policy Action Coalition. It is 60 members strong, actively working together to improve food access, urban agriculture, and food policy. Food access and equity are long-standing issues in Baltimore. A key priority of the Baltimore Food Policy Initiative is to address health, economic, and environmental disparities by increasing access to healthy, affordable food in Baltimore City's food deserts. Food environment mapping has been instrumental in influencing new food policies, a food desert retail strategy, and increased city funding for food access. Utilizing vacant land for urban agriculture has been another way to address gaps in the food retail environment. We've done so through an urban agriculture plan, a land leasing initiative, and an urban agriculture tax credit for urban farmers. All cities will face adversities, but there are so many ways to be resilient. For Baltimore, civil unrest in 2015 and severe winter storms in 2016 escalated the need to have a coordinated city food response and communication plan in the case of emergencies. These times taught us to view food as critical infrastructure, and as a result, we created a formal Food Emergency Operations Plan and will release the city's Food Resilience Plan in 2017. Collaboration and partnership are the foundation to our food system accomplishments. It is through my work with the United States Conference of Mayors Food Policy Task Force, and then as the U.S. Conference of Mayors President, that Baltimore had the opportunity to learn from other cities. That is why it is such an honor and a privilege to receive this monetary award, so that we can return the generosity and pay it forward to other cities that are just starting out in creating food-focused policies and initiatives. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for this award and for the recognition, and I look forward to seeing Baltimore collaborate with many of you in the future.